First of all, the government wants you to know that you are paying 10 shillings per kilowatt hour. That is what the government wants you to know. But unfortunately, if you exceed 100 kilowatt hours...
Driver, just halt there.
Yes.
The kilowatt hour. Just explain to me what that means in terms of my consumption. I have a fridge, I have electricity, I have a TV. How long will that 1 kilowatt hour last me?
Oh, thank you. It's a bit of engineering but I'll try to explain.
Yes.
That if you are having 100 watts bulb, that is 0.1 kilowatt. If you use it for 1 hour, it's going to be 0.1 kilowatt hour. So if you use it for 10 hours, it's going to be, now multiplied by 10, it's going to be now 1 kilowatt hour. That is what we call 1 unit. So when you are buying token, that 1 is what it costs at, they tell you pay 10 shillings or 15 shillings, but you're paying 24.